Imagine you are sitting in your office, ready to present an important project.
You open the final report, and suddenly your heart stops.
One number is completely wrong.
But what happens next may save your job.
Welcome to the Westbrook English Channel.
Today, you will hear a slow English story about work, mistakes, and honesty.
Listen carefully to the natural conversation and useful workplace English.
And remember, you can pause and repeat each sentence with us.
It was Monday morning, and I arrived at the office earlier than usual.
I had an important presentation that afternoon.
My manager had asked me to prepare a report for an important client.
I felt nervous, but I also felt proud.
For 3 days, I worked on the report.
I checked the charts, organized the information, and practiced my presentation.
My colleague David helped me review the final version.
We both believed that everything was ready.
At 11 o'clock, I opened the report one more time.
Then I noticed something strange in the sales chart.
The number for March was much higher than the real number.
I looked again, and I realized that I had copied information from the wrong file.
It was my mistake. My hands became cold, and I could not think clearly.
The presentation was only 3 hours away.
I thought, if my manager discovers this, I could lose my job.
But panicking would not solve the problem.
So I took a deep breath and decided to be honest. I walked toward my manager's office with the report in my hands.
Every step felt heavier than the one before.
I knocked on the door and waited.
My manager looked up and asked, "What is wrong?"
I said, I found a serious mistake in the report.
My manager became quiet.
I continued, I copied one number from the wrong file, and the March result is incorrect.
I expected anger, but my manager simply asked, "Do you know how to fix it?"
I said yes, but I need to work quickly.
My manager looked at the report carefully.
Then she said, thank you for telling me before the meeting.
I was surprised by her response.
She explained that mistakes can happen, but hiding a mistake can create a much bigger problem. We created a simple repair plan.
First, we checked every number in the report.
Next, we compared the information with the original files.
Finally, we prepared a short explanation for the client.
David and I worked together for almost 2 hours.
We checked each page slowly and carefully.
We discovered 2 small mistakes, but we corrected both of them.
This time, we did not trust only one file.
We checked the information in 3 different places. At 2 o'clock, the client meeting began.
I stood beside my manager and opened the corrected presentation.
My voice was still nervous, but I spoke clearly.
The charts were accurate, and the information was easy to understand.
During the presentation, the client asked an unexpected question.
He wanted to know why the March result had changed.
For 1 second, I felt afraid.
Then I remembered that honesty was better than pretending.
I explained that we had found an error in the original report.
I also explained how we had checked and corrected the information.
The client listened carefully.
Then he said, "I am glad you found this before we made a decision."
The mistake had revealed a hidden problem in the company's system.
The wrong file had been copied many times by different employees.
If I had not noticed the mistake, the company could have made a very expensive decision.
My mistake had helped the team discover a larger problem.
After the meeting, my manager thanked me.
She said, "You made a mistake, but you handled it responsibly."
She also said that my honesty had protected the company.
Instead of losing my job, I received more responsibility.
This story teaches us an important lesson.
A mistake does not always define your ability.
Your response to the mistake is often more important.
Stay calm, speak honestly, and focus on solving the problem.
That is how a difficult situation can become a valuable opportunity. Let us review some useful expressions.
I made a mistake means that you did something incorrectly.
I need to fix it means that you need to correct the problem.
Thank you for telling me is a respectful response to honest information.
I handled it responsibly means that you dealt with the situation in a mature way. Now, let us practice a short conversation.
I found a mistake in the report, and I need to tell my manager.
What will you say?
I will say, I found an error, and I already have a plan to correct it.
Excellent.
You can repeat that sentence slowly with us.
We are so proud of you for practicing English with us today.
Please share one sentence in the comments about a mistake that taught you something.
Thank you so much for listening.
Please subscribe to the Westbrook English channel.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will catch you on the next deep dive.